What's up, guys? I took a break from really doing anything to the car after I drove it. So this video is, well, today is June 26th. This video is probably not going to come out until sometime in July. Maybe not until after the 4th of July. So I hope everybody had a happy 4th of July. Reason being that this video is not coming out until then is because I haven't finished the interior. Well, actually, it hasn't come out yet because I finished the interior, but I haven't showed you guys the interior yet. So by the time this video comes out, you should have already seen the interior. So I hope you guys like it. I put a lot of work, a lot of effort into it. Today's video is actually going to be finishing the interior. So I got my box shipped from Germany. This is the new Recaro seat. And as you can see, it comes in a really nice thick box, handled with care. Came all the way from Germany. So I'm going to show you guys what the seat looks like. Okay. So this is the seat inside the box. Comes wrapped up. Comes with, I'm sure it was wrapped up more there, but at the shop, Showstoppers, we took the seat out to make sure it was good. It comes with the bolts for the seat rail. It comes with the sticker. Now I already have stickers made there. That one is a little bit longer than this one, but it's the same height. And I measured to figure it out. So I didn't even know this seat came with a sticker. I actually had those made because this seat I got secondhand from somebody. So that's that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the seat on the new rail. So I'll show you what I got here. Here is the mess that I have. This is the box for the Crow's harness. The engine intake box. Where the hell did I put that engine intake? It's my lunch for later. Junkless. What else we got? This is the seat belts. This has to go in too. So this is the Crow's box. This is how the seat belts come. So this has to go in today also. And we have the new slider. Came from Germany. I'm sorry, well, it was made in Germany. This actually came from Poland. Real Recaro. So I got that in. And there is the planted seat rail. So that's going to go in today. The other thing we have to do is put that there. The other thing I have to do is finish bolting up. I have to put the B-pillar bars on. I have to finish bolting this up and then the seat belts. Now I have a Cusco sticker for the other side, but I think I might have lost it. That's a little upsetting and disappointing. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out where that is. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna take the seat out, I'm gonna put it on my table. We're going to start bolting up the slider, and then we're going to bolt up the seat rail, and then I'm going to back the car out and then pull it in a little bit sideways. That way I can get to the passenger side. So let's get that done. All right, so spider webs, bugs. Let's get a blade. Allergies are messing with me. No, it is not Corona. So the good thing is that the other seat comes with this already. So I have to see which one is which side, because it does not say. So I think it goes like this. And this like this. So let me double check the other side and see. I'm going to try to muscle this seat up. Okay. So this piece of the bracket is aligned with this, so when I slide, this can break this piece. Now if I would move the seat more that way, which I can't go anymore, the seat's rail is already, basically the seat is closer to the door. So that's all the room I got. I can't move the seat that way anymore. And I can't move the seat rail over anymore. It has to be where it is, because then the B-pillar bars, so if I move this over another bracket, then the B-pillar bars are not going to fit. So I have to remove this piece, that way this, now I can grind this off eventually and then put this piece back on, which I'll probably do that in the future. But for now, this is how it is. And I don't want to do that in case I sell the seats and people want to use their seat belts. Well, in case I sell the slider and people want to use the seat belt, but I mean the rail. So I got to take this off without breaking it. All right, so the next thing I have to do is move the car out and then bring it in a little sideways. So let me get that done. Okay, car is sideways. Now we can get to the passenger side. We're going to put some Loctite on here, a little bit of Loctite so it doesn't come out. Okay. Put a little bit of Loctite on there. I can screw this in, that way it doesn't come back out. Okay, I'm going to show you guys once I get the seat bolted in when it's done. Oh, the interior is done. I'm sweating like crazy. Finally, the interior is done. You guys have obviously seen it already because this video is going to be a little outdated, but that's okay. Let me just bolt up the seat belts and you can actually see my first time reaction of everything together. So give me a second. I can't believe that that's my interior. I just can't. I cannot believe it. The way that this interior looks is exactly what I pictured in my head, and it's just man, I'm so happy. Like I can't even explain it. Thank you guys so much for the support, for tuning in, for patiently waiting. I know you guys had seen it already, but now you kind of get from my perspective when I first got to look at it. It's just wow. I'll show you guys. It's just wow. Like I knew it was gonna look good, but wow. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you guys think. And I don't know. I really don't know when I'm gonna put this video out, when it's gonna be dated. So I guess we'll figure it out. Again, like, comment, subscribe, stay positive, stay humble, and remember, we only have good days. Peace.